Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install CrossOver in MacBook and run almost any Windows app. For an example, I'll show you right now. I have Counter-Strike Source downloaded. This is a game, but it is an exe file. It's an executable file which is only a Microsoft Windows application. If I click it over here, it opens in CrossOver for me directly, but I'm going to close CrossOver for now because I'll show you the whole process first. So what you have to do is open your web browser and you have to in your web browser just search for CrossOver app. After that is done, you can see you will get an option for CrossOver Mac after that is done, and it says that it's a free trial. You don't have to worry about anything right now because I have a trick by which you can get CrossOver permanently as well, and you will basically have the free trial forever. So even after 14 days it won't stop working. So I'll make a video about that as well in like one day. So currently you can still chill for 14 days and nothing will be wrong. And after putting in your name and email address, you just have to download your free trial for CrossOver. What you basically have to do is over here you can see that CrossOver is downloading. I'm gonna cancel this because I already have CrossOver downloaded. And now you come here to your downloads. After CrossOver is downloaded, you can see it over here, and you just have to drag it to your applications over here in your Finder. You open your Finder, you open downloads, and you will see CrossOver already. I'm not gonna pull it and put it in my applications because I already have it in my applications. I already have it installed. Once you drag it to your applications from your downloads, CrossOver will automatically show up here and in your launchpad. From there you just have to go and open CrossOver, and you can see that it says that CrossOver is in a free trial and it will stop working in 14 days. This is nothing to worry about. I can fix this as well, and it is basically a little notepad thing which you have to change every 14 days, and it's very simple. I'll show that as well. So now you have to hit try now, and this is where you will open. This is where the app opens in the first place, and you can see install Windows application. These are all just games for now, but I mean obviously NX is not over here or any other app which you need, and we can fix that as well. So right now after opening CrossOver, you can see bottle on the top left over here. Here you have to click new bottle, and let's say I want it for Windows 10, and I'll just call it Windows. It doesn't really matter what you do over here, and now you just have to wait until the bottle is created. As you can see, I have a Windows executable file ready for now, so I'll try to run this. There are a bunch of ways, so I'm gonna try whichever one works first. So I just have to wait. Okay, now as you can see that the Windows bottle is created over here. Don't mess with any of these settings over here, and make sure that high resolution mode is turned off, because if you turn high resolution mode on, uh, many windows it will increase your resolution, all the pixel count of your display while running all the Windows apps. But the thing is, MacBook Air doesn't have an exhaust fan, so your laptop will get very hot as well. So I don't recommend doing that. What you have to do now is, after you have downloaded CrossOver, you have created a new bottle, and now it is called Windows. You just have to open C drive. C drive, you can see all these same apps such like Windows. All you have to do is go to your downloads, your exe file. I just copy it and I paste it over here. I don't think I can draw a... Okay, I dragged my exe file over here and I hit run. You can directly just from your downloads, you can also just open your exe file and it will open in CrossOver. So this is not really necessary, so I'll show you how it works. So this, as you can see, is working. And this app, Counter-Strike Source, is now installing in my Mac. And the thing is, If I open this with my if I didn't have crossover, this app would not run. See, look, you can't open this application in the app store because this application is not supported on this Mac. So just like this exe file, you can run any just like this exe file, you can run any exe file, granted that you have crossover and it is pasted to your C drive over here. That is basically it. It is very simple, and I will make another video in a bit to make sure that you have crossover permanently, because technically it is a paid app, but there is a workaround for that as well. Thank you.